In 1815, a volcano exploded so violently it changed the planet. Mount Tambora erupted in Indonesia. The explosion was heard over 2,000 kilometers away. Ash shot 40 kilometers into the atmosphere. It blocked sunlight across the world. The year after, it was called the year without a summer. Snow fell in June. Crops failed. Millions faced famine. One eruption temporarily cooled the entire Earth. Volcanoes don't just reshape land, they can reshape climate.